Good morning, students. I am going to continue exercise 14.2 factorization, which is related to the identities. Like first identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. By using this identity, we are also able to factorize the given expression. Second identity, this is first identity. Second identity, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third identity is a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. And fourth identity is x plus a into x plus b, that is equal to x square plus in the bracket a plus b into x plus ab. By using these identities, we are going to factorize the given expressions. Okay? Your exercise first question is 14.2, question number first. Question number first part is factorize a square plus 8a plus 16. Factorization means you write down the given expression in the form of product of two or more than two factors. Means you write down this expression into product form. Like you write down this is the whole square of a whole square plus this is 4 square, and in the middle you want to write 8a 2 into a into 4, means this is 8a. First of all, when you want to use any identity to factorize the given expression, first of all you write that expression in the form of the given identity. Which do you want to use? Like I want to use here a square plus 2ab plus b square, which value is equal to a plus b whole square. Means you write down this is a and this is b, a plus b whole square. You also write it in the product form a plus 4 into a plus 4 twice. Okay. Fourth part is 49y square plus 84yz. You write down this yz plus 36z square. 36z square. I want to use here a plus b whole square. Then first of all I write this expression in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Like this is 7y write 2 into A into B. 2 into 7y into 6z. When you multiply, you get 2 7 are 14, 6 are 84, yz. Means this expression is written in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then I write here 7y plus 6z whole square. And you also write this 7y plus 6z in the first bracket, and in the second bracket you also write 7y plus 6z. This is the factorization of this expression. Clear? Then your first last part is a square plus a to power 4 plus 2a square b square plus b to power 4. You factorize this expression. First of all, you write this in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then you write a to power 4 is a square whole square, and b to power 4 is b square whole square. In the middle you write 2 into a square into b square. You get a square plus b square whole square. That is written in the form of a square plus b square in the second bracket a square plus b square. This is written in the form of product of two factors. Therefore, this is the factorization of this expression. Exercise 14.2. Question number 2. Factorize to first part is factorize 4p square minus 9q square. 4p square minus 9q square. First of all, you write this expression in the form of a square minus b square. Then you use that identity to factorize this expression. Like you write it 2p whole square minus 3q whole square. This is a square minus b square. Then you write in the first bracket 2p minus 3q, in the second bracket 2p plus 3q. This is the factorization of this expression. Okay? In this expression, we use the identity a square minus b square, which value is a minus b into a plus b. Then question number 2, fourth part is 60x to power 5 minus 144x cube. You factorize this expression. First of all, you take common from these two terms. 16 is the number highest common factor of these two terms, 16x cube, because both terms are divisible by 16x cube. In the numbers, this is divisible by 16 and this is also divisible by 16. Both numbers highest common factor is 16, and in the literal here is x to power 5 and here is x to power 3. This means x to power 3 is the highest common factor of these two terms. This means you get 16 x to power 3 is the HCF of both terms, which is taken as a common. Then you divide this term by 16x cube, you get x square minus 16 9 144. Then you write 16x cube in the bracket, you write x square minus 3 square. Then you use identity a square minus b square. Here you get 16 x cube in the first bracket, x minus 3 in the second bracket, x plus 3. This is the factorization of the given expression. Question number 2, 8 part. A square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. This is the expression which you factorize. In this expression, first of all, you write 25a square and you take minus common from these terms. Then you write minus and you write in the bracket 4b square minus 28bc plus 49c square. When you take minus common from the given expression, that sign will be changed. This means you write here 25 a square minus in the bracket you write 2b whole square and here is 7b whole square. Then in the middle you write 2 into 2b into 7c. You get 2 to the 4th and then 28bc. This means you write here 5a whole square and you write this in the form of a minus b whole square, because this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. You write it 2b minus 7c whole square. In the first bracket you write a minus b. This means 5a minus 2b minus 7c. This is in the first bracket. In the second bracket you write 5a plus 2b minus 7c. When you open the bracket you get 5a minus 2b plus 7c. In the second bracket you write 5a plus 2b minus 7c. This is the factorization of the given expression.